Burn all in a pot. The freshly fried lobster is in it. The lobster must be fried through, otherwise there will be a lot of parasites. Add some ginger and garlic to remove the fishy smell. Add pixie and bean paste. Stir fry. Fry the flavor out of it. After stir-frying, we poured in the green peppers. Pour the red peppers in. Then pour the freshly cut ball-toothed potatoes into the pot. Take my big shovel and stir-fry. You can't stop stir-frying. The more fried, the more delicious. Let's put some more salt in it. Hey, don't cry. Finally, we add the scallions. Yeah, that's it. Zigong.